I'd rather miss my flight than skip this. This is 100% raw batana oil, straight from Honduras. Just massage it into your scalp to deeply nourish the roots. It strengthens hair and reduces breakage. Click the link below to get your special offer. If your hair feels dry and desperately needs some serious nourishment, you have to see this. This is 100% unrefined Honduran batana oil. It strengthens strands and adds so much shine. And guess what? It's buy one, get one free. Grab yours before this amazing offer ends.